Hi everybody, Miss Allison here. I'm so excited to bring you our newest service, Rompy's Clubhouse. Rompy's Clubhouse brings you fun and educational gym, art, and music activities that you and your little ones can learn and play together. Our subscription-based service includes exclusive online classes, small group instruction with our expert teachers, and even an activity subscription box mailed straight to your door.
Does that mean I can play in the gym?
Well, of course you can.
Can I play some music?
Can I try a class here on Zoom?
Of course.
Can I balance on this over a pit of gators?
I don't know if I'd recommend that.
Can I be a pirate?
That sounds all right to me.
Can I make a new friend?
Wow, I love that idea.
Can I complete my masterpiece?
Definitely.
Can I try and juggle these?
Ooh, you have great skills.
Can I try and balance Rompy on my head?
Well, if you think that's a good idea, sure. If you want to sign up, all you have to do is find which membership works best for you.